Beep was a little red alarm clock with a big problem. He loved to sleep. While all the other clocks buzzed and rang proudly at dawn, Beep would hit his own snooze button with a tiny mechanical yawn. "I'm supposed to wake people up," he mumbled, "but mornings are so early." One day, a sleepy kid named Max got Beep from a thrift shop. Max didn't like waking up early either, so he set Beep's alarm for 10 a.m. Beep dinged right on time, stretching, proud, and perfectly rested. And from then on, they were the happiest pair of late risers in town. Want one set in outer space next?